Welcome to part 2 of the course How to Create a Professional Website. All the videos from now will be all about creating a professional website. The website that we have created till now, we'll be giving a professional look to our website. But before moving further, I would like to tell you, till now we have covered ample number of features. We have done the market research. We learnt about social proof and its importance. We have also got introduced to WordPress, and by the time it has become a good friend of yours. I told you about hosting, creating different pages and posts. Most importantly, we have installed plugin for our every purpose that we wanted to accomplish. Lastly, we have created our website and made our plugins GDPR compliant. That means we have followed GDPR rules. Now it is the time to know about what makes a website professional. So without wasting your time and not letting you wait anymore, before understanding how to make a website professional, we must know what is a professional website. Foremost of all, domain name. Find the ideal business domain for you. Whatever business name you have, find a domain related to that. For example, you may encounter a situation in which you do not find the exact domain name as your business. So in that case, find something related to your business, but students, make sure that your domain name is not too long. Take it on you. If you open a website by typing, if it is too long, would you like to open that? The answer is no. So therefore, the domain name must not be very lengthy. Secondly, your hosting is basically the road on which your car domain will learn. Remember the example? So, choose a hosting that opens your website faster. What I mean is, preload time should be less, and most importantly, it should be a reliable server. You can go for different options available in the market. Till now, all of you must know I have chosen the hosting of GoDaddy. You can go for Bluehost or any other hosting provider that you feel like going along. Thirdly, the design of your website should be very clear. Blend the colors very properly. Do not forget to make your website user-friendly. What do I mean from a user-friendly website? User-friendly website is a website, or I would say it is basically a guidebook that guides your user from going one part to other part of your website. So therefore, clear design plays a significant role in keeping your visitors engaged. And for this, research is very important. And students, from research, what I mean is the people or the websites who are already in same kind of business as yours, look at their websites, look at their pages. Don't copy them, but take an idea that what are the important parts to be included in your website. Every visitor who comes to your website must see the quality in your website design. Therefore, make sure whatever you write at your website pages, it should be properly punctuated, it should be grammatically correct, and most importantly, it must be engaging. All these factors will definitely improve the quality of your website. Lastly, if there are any images, any videos in your website, then they must not be too messy. From messy, I mean that images must not be blurred. They should be proper high definition images, and moreover, they should be taken from the sources that do not put you in any kind of legal conflict. Videos should not be too long. They should be compact, and in case you want to upload some long videos, make sure that they are easily played. So these are all the points that you must keep in your mind to give a professional look to your website. Now students, there are two correlated terms that we must understand. Device compatibility is directly related to visitors' engagement. Now what do I mean by this? Device compatibility is whatever theme you choose for your website, whatever things you put at your website, they must look good at different devices. From devices I mean is laptop devices, mobile tablets and mobiles. In the beginning of course I told you the maximum traffic that we get nowadays is more than 50% from mobile devices. Therefore, make sure that your website looks very good on mobile version. Automatically engage your visitors. People would love to browse your website if they get variety. If your website is device compatible, that will definitely help you in generating more business, more customers for you. Now students, you can also keep your visitors more engaged by time to time circulating new discounts, new launches, some personalized freebies. By doing all these things, people would love to come again and again to your website. In case the terms I have used are not clear to you, you can find all these terms in the previous videos because we have already covered the terms. In the coming videos, we'll be transforming our website into a professional website. Students, don't panic and do not get confused also. Part 2 of your course is not at all confusing, not at all very tough. Basically, it includes all the simple tips and tricks that you must implement at your website that will by default make your website very professional. In the coming videos, we'll be studying about logo creation. We'll be using logo as favicon. We'll be checking different market trends also, some prominent websites also. We'll be transforming our homepage and doing different kinds of things. So, stay tuned, keep learning.